Hello and welcome to today's walk. Today we are here at Home Depot to check out their spookiness and haunts for the Halloween season. So let's go check it out. All right, as I walk in, take a look at what they have. Wow. I think what I'll do is I'll go ahead and start off with the big inflatables up here. And as you can see, they start off right here with the giant spider with the glowing red eyes. They got some different lights. Those are pretty cool though. That's a cat. Kind of have this in the way, but you got those ghosts, the pumpkins. And look at the Sanderson sisters. Awesome. And I can't wait for that Hocus Pocus 2 to come out. They got this awesome jack-o'-lantern with the skeleton body, the scary ghost. And they do have a giant Jack Skellington. Now, this one's not as big as the one we just saw at Lowe's, but it is pretty tall. And then they have these other inflatables here. They even have some Disney characters, and it looks like a pumpkin right there. So those are pretty much the inflatables that they have here. Now they have this giant Oogie Boogie. Now I'm not sure if he's an animatronic. Yes, he is. He is $229. Let me see if he's on. Let me see if he's connected. Trouble close at hand. You better pay attention now, 'cause I'm the boogeyman. And if you want it. That was awesome. They played the whole song. All right, they got these two little pumpkins here. Kind of.
No need to be scared. As long as you fill our bags with goodies tonight.
Okay.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. All right, and those are $89.98 each. They have these yard stand-ups for $24.99. And then they got this ugly goblin here. Or is it a ugly baby Yoda? Either way, let's check him out.
I have such delights for you. Step up and take a look. You will be the next that I will cook.
Oh my gosh. All right, he got me. All right, now they have this guy called Dean, the Deathologist. He's $149. Let's take a look. He's got the snazzy shoes, little gold chain, and the elixir there. So let's check it out. Nice mustache too.
I hope you don't mind my prying, but you're not from around here, are you? Please tell us all how it is that you've ended up in our company. Why, it appears that your heart still beats. Oh dear, no offense intended, of course. I meant it in the highest regard, you understand.
Oh, that one's pretty cool. So that one's $149.99. And as he's talking, he's got the drink pouring. And now they have this giant, what is this one? Terry the Clown, $199. Now I'm scared because the button's way over there. And he's got poodles all around him, but he's standing right on top here. Let me see if I could do it from here.
Roses are red, violets Pulitzer blue. You'd better hide, or I'm gonna catch you.
Oh, okay. He didn't do what I thought he was gonna do, go out and grab you. But that one's $1.99. Then they got this giant Grim Reaper, pretty tall. Let's see what he does. All right, so over here on this side, they have a cauldron, which looks awesome. It's got the bubbling ooze, and that one is $89.98. So right next to the cauldron, of course, the Wicked Witch. Let's see if she...
You'll never know what surprises I have in store for you. Continue if you dare.
All right, and she is $99. She's pretty big, so that's pretty cool for $99. And then they got Merlin the Wizard, or what is he called? Illuminated Wizard, and he's $199. Let's check him out. Ooh.
Wherever you run, like being I will find you.
That's pretty cool. And he, like I said, is $199. They also have some all these different skeletons. These are like some dogs or wolves. Here's the poodle I was saying earlier. Like a little buzzard, little piggy, a cat. And they got these pretty cool stand-ups. Oogie Boogie, this is nice. And then they have Jack, and then they have these very scary dolls and the witch. All right, that was our quick trip out here to Home Depot to show you guys their Halloween haunts and their spookiness out here. As you can see, it was a little smaller than Lowe's, but I thought the animatronics were pretty good. So definitely come out to Home Depot, check it out, see which one's better for you. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time on today's walk. Bye.